The Certificate 2 in Manufacturing Technology is delivered here on site at WesTEC Trade Training Centre by TAFE Queensland. Our exceptional teaching teams maintain strong industry connections and keep up to date with the latest trends and styles in manufacturing. They are dedicated to passing on the basic knowledge and entry-level skills to help you build your career and progress onto further study. The Certificate 2 in Manufacturing Technology is designed to meet the technological development needs across all areas of process manufacturing. The industry has grown across several areas, such as aerospace and defence, digital and print media, resources and renewable energy, food and beverage processing, and design and furnishing. During your study, you'll learn how to utilise technology to work with different materials and create projects out of plastic, metal and timber. Students will gain experience using equipment such as lathes, milling machines, MIG and TIG welders, plasma cutters, robotic welders, CNC equipment and 3D printers. You will be able to use this qualification to seek employment as an assistant in the manufacturing industry or use it towards credit in higher level qualifications in manufacturing. If you would like to find out more about the Certificate 2 in Manufacturing Technology, visit tafeqld.edu.au or speak to your VET coordinator at your school. On behalf of TAFE Queensland, I look forward to seeing you here at WesTEC next year.